James Joyce was said to have told a friend that when it comes his time to pass, when he dies, he said, Dublin will be written on my heart. Well, excuse the emotion, but when I die, Delaware will be written on my heart.
Can you see by the dawn's early light?
Councillor Andrea McCavitt here from Louth, fifth cousin of President Joe Biden. We are so excited here in the Cooley Peninsula for Joe's election to the Oval Office. We know that Joe will reunite a deeply politically divided United States of America, and we can't wait to see what he does over his next 4 years in office. Ganairi and Tolat, Joe.
Great day for Ireland as President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris are sworn into office. It's great to have an Irish American in the White House, and it's fantastic to see the United States elect its first ever female Vice President. It is so important for young girls to see women in these positions. Wishing them both the very best for today and for their term ahead.
Joe Biden, who is so very proud to be Irish, is set to become the President of the United States today. We in Louth, and particularly North Louth and Cooley, wish him, his wife, Dr. Jill Biden, the very best of health and success. We look forward to welcoming President Biden and all his family home to Ireland and Louth as soon as possible. Ganairi and Bohorlat, Joe.
On this special day, I want to wish Joe Biden and Kamala Harris every good wish and every success as they take on their roles as President and Vice President of the United States. We're incredibly proud here in Ballina of our links with Joe Biden, links that are active. We had the pleasure of having him here in 2016 and in 2017 when he turned the sod of our new hospice, and we really look forward to welcoming him back here as President of the United States of America. So Ganairi live, agus tá súlagam go maith tá agus sláinte aga. Best of luck and the best of health and happiness in your new roles.
Just very briefly on behalf of the government and on behalf of the Oireachtas to wish incoming President-elect Joe Biden the very, very best as he begins his journey as President of the United States. He's a very loyal friend of Ireland and has made no secret of that affection for this country. We look forward to welcoming him to Ireland during his presidency.